Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect moi-moi. So if you want to know how I make my moi-moi, stay with me and let's get started. Here are the list of ingredients I'm going to be using in this video. I have black eyed peas that's already washed, the skin is taken out. I have onions, bell pepper and scotch bonnet. I have eggs, tuna fish and shrimps. I have salt, bouillon powder, and I have olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, and I have spring onions. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead to blend the beans. I'll be adding some water into the blender and I'll follow it with the beans. You can actually use any beans of your choice to make moi-moi as well. And I'll go ahead to blend it. Once that is done, I'll go ahead to transfer it into my bowl. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cook the shrimps. I'm going to be cooking it with about a tablespoon of oil and I'll be cooking it on a medium heat for 2 minutes. So once that is done, I'll put that aside. Next, I'll be adding some water into the pot. And we are going to be steam cooking the beans and I'll be adding my steaming rack into the pot and I'll leave the water to boil. So the next thing is to mix the moi-moi together. I'll be using hot water to mix the beans. I'm using hot water to dissolve the bouillon and the salt together. I always use hot water to mix my beans. I don't use cold water. And I'll be adding that into the beans. To that, I'll be adding a spoon of oil to it. And follow it with the eggs. With the tuna fish. So the next thing, I'm going to be cutting the shrimps. So once that is done, I'll add it into the beans. Then follow it with the spring onions. And I'll go ahead to stir it very well together to be well combined. So I'm going to be testing it for my season and everything is perfect. I'll be adding a little bit of hot water to it again because you need your beans to be really light if you want to get soft moi-moi. So I'm going to be using those plastic cups. So I'll go ahead to oil them. So I'll be adding my beans into the cups now. Oiling it will make it easy for you to take out your moi-moi when it's ready. So if you don't have the cups, you can also use a foil. So I'm going to be showing you how to wrap the foil. So you fold it like so and like that so that it won't leak when your beans is inside it. Then you go ahead to fold it by the side and you fold it on the other side as well. Then you go ahead to add the beans into it. and you fold the top as well. This is what it will look like. This is not going to leak, and when it's ready it will come out perfect as well. So once the water is boiled, we are going to go ahead to transfer everything into the pot, and we are going to be steam cooking these beans for 1 hour. So this is 1 hour later. So when cooking your beans, if you need to add water into the pot, do not use cold water. You have to use hot water as well. So the moi-moi is ready, and this is what this moi-moi look like. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also put on the notification bell. That will enable you to know whenever I bring out a new video. Thank you so much everybody for watching. God bless you, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.